The old village of Dumangas started as a settlement of old Malays who made a clearing along the Talambis River and established a community sometime in the 12th or 13th century. The community was called Araon, variant of Alaon. The term is derived from the old Malayan word Laon meaning sea or Palaon or Laon, which means toward the sea. When the Spaniards arrived in Panay, they found the coastal village of Alaon, a thriving agricultural community. According to Friar Gaspar de San Agustin, in the ancient times there was a trading center and a port of most hilarious nobility in the old island of Alaod River in the vicinity of Dumangas. In 1605, 30 years after it was established as a town founded in 1572, the Spanish clergy, who then ruled the community together with the Cabeza de Barangay, changed the name Arao to Dumangas. 59 years later, the church was again razed to the ground, where at Robertson recorded. It was Saturday, March 15, 1687. The church and the house in Dumangas was burned together with the edifice, were offering actually tributes of natives from Cebu and other Visayan Island, and 2,000 canvas of rice which was stored in the house. Revolutionary period of Dumangas. When revolution broke out in Luzon in 1896, the revolutionaries spread quickly throughout the country. However, most of fighting were certain in Luzon, alarmed by the possibility that the revolution might spread to Visayas and Mindanao. Colonel Ricardo Monet, the commander of Spanish force in the Visayas, came to Dumangas in the early part of 1898 to recruit volunteers to help define the colonial government. Pursuant to agreed points of revolution simultaneous with the other towns, Dumangas cried for freedom and liberty. In October 28, 1898, they easily substituted the civil guard in the town of Dumangas. Quintin Salas and his Hihaldilo army continued to liberate living only the capital, Iloilo City. On December 24, 1898, the Spanish colonial government, headed by Don Diego de los Rios, surrendered Iloilo to the revolutionaries. Significant people and local heroes. Brandon John Biron, politician or mayor of Dumangas, is currently serving as mayor of Dumangas, a municipality of Iloilo Province in Western Visayas Region or Region 6, Philippines. Previously, he was the congressman of 4th Legislative District. Peter Soles Neri, writing in Hiligaynon, he is a Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards for Literature Hall of Fame awardee. The Cultural Center of Philippines, CCCP Literary Grant, and the All Western Visayas Literary Contest, National Commission for Culture and the Arts. Winner in 2015, he became the first Filipino author to be invited to Shara International Books Fair in the United Arab Emirates. Writing in English, Filipino, and Hiligaynon, he has authored at least 35 books and has writing screenplay. He wrote and edited newspaper in Iloilo City before becoming an artist in the United States. Called Quintin Salas. the last Visayan revolutionary officer to surrender to Americans during the war against the U.S. Col Salas was the commander of the 1st Guerrilla Column in Panay. Col Salas was born in Dumangas, Iloilo and also donated his prime properties as site for the public market municipal building, public plaza and elementary school building of the municipality of Dumangas and Iloilo. Dumangas is 25 kilometers 16 mi from Iloilo City. Dumangas is located northeast of Iloilo City, surrounded by the town of Barotac Nuevo in the east, Saraga is the west, Putotan in the north, and the island of Guimaras in the southwest, and the island of Negros in the east. It has a lot of tributaries like the rivers of Barasan, Agdaropan, Palok, Tarusan, Dumangas, Sulangan, Palagis, and Halaor natural feature found in Dumangas. Includes the mountains and hills of Ermita, Binabao, and Rosario. Sulangan has its own mini version of the Tinatagong Dagat, where a spring can be found in Binabao has the Matagsing, and Lakaran has the Lihan Caves. Main site in the town includes the Lakaran Beach, Bakay Beach, Naluoyan Beach, Tinatagong Dagat Fish Pond, and many barangays. The Aligbayan Church, the Ermita Shrine, the San Agustin Catholic Church, the Roro Port, the Coastal Road, and seafood restaurant found in the Montfort Coastal Road. Dumangas is holistically subdivided into 45 barangays. Dumangas economy is certain in agricultural and livestock are predominant. It is home of the Awas Festival. Dumangas continues to retain its provincial standing but whose commitment to certain fundamental community values and innovation has produced many in the way of medicine, law, and education. The town is one of the 7 first-class municipalities in Iloilo and the richest and the most populated municipality in the 4th district of Iloilo. It is also fast-growing municipality and is expected to become a component city in the future. Awas Festival is a cultural and seafood festival in the town of Dumangas, Iloilo, Philippines. Every last week, October, boasting a week-long calendar. It is the celebration of Dumangas' variant local culture, rich heritage, seafood industry, particularly the production of bangos, milkfish, Thanksgivings for bountiful harvest, and heroism of Filipino period Colonel Quintin Salas. The wharf in the municipality of Dumangas is located at Barangay Dakotan, 62 km from the population area. These wharfs serve as a landing area of palms boats and motorboats carrying fish, rice, salt, sugar, woods, etc. from Negros and Guimaras Island to Dumangas and other parts of Iloilo and vice versa. The port of Dumangas is one of the major ports appearing in the province of Iloilo. It is located in Sitio Naluoyan at Barangay Sapao, Dumangas, Iloilo. Roll Roro, vessel carrying passenger and cargoes plying Dumangas, Iloilo, Bacolod, and vice versa are now operational. It also serves as an outlet for rice, sugar, fish products, etc. for central and eastern town of Iloilo. Taguho ng kapilya ng Ermita started out as a chapel made of nipa. Eventually, a proper church and convent was rebuilt, but then it got worn down. It was rebuilt, but then an earthquake devastated it. By August 28, 1989, it has been declared as National Historical Monument. Costa Buena is located in Dumangas, Iloilo, a place known for seafoods, and the property is located on a private palace daan or fish farm, and probably the reason why seafoods are called fish. They offer cheap prepared food, and also has buffet during select days. Amenities are top notch and the entire place is well landscaped.